Can you imagine a world where your phone is replaced by a device without a screen? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. It's already happening. Humane introduced this interesting concept. Instead of staring at a display, you interact with it through voice commands, and a small projector brings media controls and calls to the palm of your hand. The goal is to let you navigate the world without being constantly tied to digital distractions. It sounds amazing, but here's the catch. Are screens really something we can, or should, give up on just yet? Humane, a San Francisco-based AI company, has officially launched its first product, the AI Pin, following months of anticipation. This small, square-shaped digital assistant differs from traditional phones as it lacks a screen, operating as a compact gadget that attaches to clothing using a magnet. Equipped with a camera and sensors, it scans the wearer's environment for contextual cues when responding to queries, such as recommending places to shop in a new city. While primarily voice-activated, the AI Pin features a miniature projector that displays laser icons and text on the user's palm. Boasting computer vision capabilities, it can assess the nutritional values of food and provide translation features in the user's voice. Powered by Microsoft and OpenAI's large language AI models, the device contains a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, ultra-wide camera, and Bluetooth connectivity. Set to run on T-Mobile's network, the AI Pin will be available for purchase in November at $699, with an additional $24 per month for a data subscription and cloud storage. Humane was co-founded in 2019 by former Apple executives Imran Chaudhry and Bethany Bongiorno, known for their contributions to Apple's iconic products. Their aim with the AI Pin is to offer a minimalistic device, countering modern screen addiction based on their experiences in touch computing with Apple. Critics of the AI Pin expressed concerns about potential privacy issues, particularly with the device's camera recording video without the knowledge of those being filmed. In response, Humane has implemented a feature called the Trust Light to signal when the camera is in operation, aiming to address these worries. Additionally, the company assures users that the device's microphone is not continually active, waiting for wake words like Amazon Echo or Google Home. Instead, Humane's system requires manual activation. Leading up to its official launch, Humane generated buzz through an attention-grabbing awareness campaign, with supermodel Naomi Campbell even showcasing the pin on the runway at Paris Fashion Week. Imran Chaudhry, co-founder of Humane, demonstrated some features at TED earlier this year, including the ability to take phone calls via hologram and seek gift ideas from the device. Chaudhry emphasized the AI Pin as an evolving and personalized form of memory, highlighting its potential during his TED presentation. Humane's roster of investors includes Tiger Global Management, Kindred Ventures, Qualcomm Ventures, and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Altman expresses belief in a future where artificial intelligence enhances human potential, aligning with Humane's vision. Despite supporting Humane, Altman is reportedly in discussions with former Apple designer Jony Ive and SoftBank's Masa Son to collaborate on a similar-sounding AI device. As Humane seeks to establish itself, the challenges are evident. While the AI Pin has garnered significant attention, the wearable computing market has historically proven challenging for tech companies. Virtual reality headsets, including Meta's, have struggled to gain widespread traction. Google's attempt with Google Glass over a decade ago faced fierce backlash due to privacy concerns surrounding the onboard camera, resulting in bans from public places and a notable incident where someone wearing the device was punched in a bar. Humane faces formidable competition in the wearable market, particularly from its co-founder's former employer, Apple. In June, Apple introduced the Reality Pro, a robust mixed reality headset designed for spatial computing and controlled largely through hand gestures. The launch of the AI Pin is the culmination of months of anticipation and a carefully orchestrated hype cycle. Humane, however, hints at a broader future beyond its inaugural device, with co-founders Chaudhry and Bongiorno stating, "For us, AI Pin is just the beginning. Humane is all about ditching screens," and its founder, Imran Chaudhry, emphasized this in a recent TED Talk. They believe screens act as a barrier between us and the world, and their AI pin aims to break down that wall. Chaudhry explains that the AI pin lets you tap into computing power while staying aware of your surroundings, bringing back a balance that has felt off-kilter for a while. This perspective resonates with a broader concern, the potential link between higher screen time and depression, even though the scientific verdict on that is still pending. Chaudhry is echoing the shared worry that we might be spending too much time glued to our phone screens, a concern evident in various products and features developed as a response to this screen-centric lifestyle. In the digital age, our phones have become more than just communication devices. They're portals to a vast and interconnected world. The allure lies in the instant access to information, social networks, and a myriad of entertainment options, all conveniently condensed into a handheld device. The constant stream of notifications, the anticipation of new messages or updates, and the fear of missing out contribute to the magnetic pull of our phones. Moreover, these devices have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives, serving as not just tools but companions. The addictive nature of smartphone usage often stems from the desire for connection, information, and entertainment, creating a digital tether that keeps us glued to our screens. The increasing reliance on smartphones comes with its share of health hazards. Prolonged and repetitive use of these devices has been associated with a range of physical and mental health issues. One prominent concern is the adverse impact on posture, as people frequently hunch over their screens, leading to neck and back problems. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt sleep patterns, potentially contributing to insomnia and other sleep-related issues. Moreover, excessive screen time has been linked to eye strain and discomfort, commonly referred to as digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome. The constant connectivity facilitated by smartphones can also contribute to stress, anxiety, and a sense of information overload. Additionally, the passive nature of extended phone use may contribute to a more inactive lifestyle, raising the risk of conditions such as obesity and cardiovascular problems. As smartphones continue to play an integral role in our lives, it becomes crucial to balance their usage to mitigate these health hazards. A device like the AI Pin is just what we needed, but let's not get carried away. There are plenty of reasons why screens became popular in the first place. While the idea of a screenless future might be intriguing, the reality is that screens serve practical purposes, making it easy to consume information at a glance or engage in activities like texting without broadcasting it to everyone nearby. Some moments are best enjoyed with a screen, whether it's a personal message to a sibling or a playful escape during mundane tasks. In the quest for a screenless world, we should consider that not all moments demand deep reflection. Sometimes, we just want to indulge in a bit of mindless fun on our pocket-sized screens. The desire to break free from screens and the never-ending barrage of notifications is something many of us can relate to. Humane's proposition of experiencing life without the perpetual interruption of phones seems appealing. The idea of just being present at the moment without the constant urge to check our devices is undeniably enticing. However, the practicality of completely ditching our phones may be a bit of a stretch for most. The challenge lies in finding a balance that allows us to stay connected without being overwhelmed by the digital noise. Humane acknowledges this need for change in the human-technology relationship, but takes it to the extreme by advocating for a screenless existence. Yet, the irony isn't lost. To manage their AI PIN, data, and photos, you end up using a web browser on screens. It's quite the paradox. To reach a screenless future, we may need a transitional path paved with the very screens we seek to escape. Embracing a future that prioritizes productivity over endless app tapping resonates with many, and Humane's approach seems to align with this vision. The emergence of products like the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, alongside the innovations in earbuds and smartwatches, hints at the evolving landscape of computing. Many of us are excited about a future where we get things done without being glued to our phone screens all the time. But saying we've already achieved a perfect state without phones seems too good to be true. The way we use technology is changing, but it's not as simple as just getting rid of screens. We need to look at how technology is evolving, and find a balance rather than completely giving up on screens. The future of computing is exciting, and we need to be smart about how we move forward. That concludes today's video. In the comments section, let us know if a screenless world is what you dream of. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay tethered. Until next time, bye!